For 35 years, detectives believed they knew who killed Kim Thomas. They just couldn't prove it. In July 1990, Kim Thomas was found dead inside her home in Charlotte, North Carolina. Her husband called 911, but she had already died. Investigators quickly identified a handyman who had recently worked at the house as a prime suspect. His DNA was found at the crime scene, but there was one major problem. DNA technology in 1990 wasn't advanced enough. The evidence contained only tiny, degraded DNA samples mixed with genetic material from other people. At the time, forensic scientists needed much cleaner samples to make reliable comparisons. The evidence was simply too weak to support a prosecution, and the investigation became a cold case. For decades, detectives repeatedly reviewed the evidence. Every investigation pointed back to the same suspect, yet the DNA still couldn't provide the certainty needed to move forward. Meanwhile, forensic science kept advancing. Modern laboratories now use probabilistic genotyping, a powerful computer-based method that helps interpret complex DNA mixtures. Instead of relying only on obvious DNA matches, it uses advanced statistical models to separate mixed genetic profiles and determine which person is most likely represented, even when samples are tiny, damaged, or contaminated. It isn't guessing. It is mathematics applied to forensic evidence. In 2026, the Charlotte-Mecklenburg Police Department re-examined the original DNA using this technology. For the first time, the degraded evidence produced a clear result. Investigators said the analysis linked the crime scene DNA to the same handyman detectives had suspected for more than 3 decades. He was arrested and charged with first-degree murder. He has pleaded not guilty, and the case remains before the court. What makes this case extraordinary is that nothing about the evidence changed. The crime scene didn't change. The suspect didn't change. Only the science did. That is why forensic laboratories preserve evidence for decades. New advances in DNA analysis and other forensic techniques continue to solve cases once thought impossible. Sometimes justice doesn't arrive because someone confesses. Sometimes it arrives because science finally learns how to hear what the evidence has been saying all along. Evidence doesn't forget. It simply waits for science to catch up. Follow Forensic Lab Geek for more incredible forensic science stories.